Unfortunately, what people don't realize is that white fillings, simple white filling, statistically, amongst dentists nationwide, are done incorrectly. If you follow the true steps of what are supposed to be done, and base and layers and adhesion and desensitizers and correct bonding agents, done correctly, like for instance, we use one of the best composites in the world. And what I mean by that is if you look at all the R&D for back teeth, it's one of the best in the world. It has the less amount of shrinkage stress on it. So then we use all these instrumentations to go ahead to get adequate contact, and we isolate really well. So if I ever do a white filling on you, let's just say I hope it goes to the end of my career. Now, if anything ever changes with you biologically, start taking medications, get dry mouth, that starts to get affected and people are more prone to decay. But if nothing really changes in your life, you should be able to get a white filling with Ritter Ramsey. But if I ever have to do one for you, I promise it'll be done right.